hello everyone. I'm here to guide you how you can fix your TikTok app not opening problem on your Android device. So if the TikTok app is not opening on your Android device, here are several troubleshooting steps that you can try. After opening your TikTok, you have to completely close the TikTok app and then you have to reopen it if it is not opening. Also, you can open the Google Play Store and search for the TikTok on the search bar. Once you have searched here, if there is any update available, you have to tap on the update option to download the latest version of your TikTok on your device. After that, you can restart your device, which can also resolve the temporary glitches. You have to long press on your power button and you have to tap on the reboot or power off device until you can turn it back. Also, you can navigate to your setting, and once you are setting, scroll down and go for your apps or management app here and search for the TikTok here on the search bar. Once you have searched for the TikTok, here you have to find and tap on the storage option or clear cache option here. So just go for the clear data and tap on the clear cache. So after clearing the cache, if the issue proceeds, you have to tap on the clear all the data, which may log you out. Also, you have to ensure that there is more space available on your device. So you have to check your device storage here. So on your device storage, if you have enough storage, then you can easily manage your TikTok. Also, you can uninstall the TikTok app, then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. So the final step is that if none of these steps work, consider reaching out to the TikTok support for further assistance. By following this step, you should be able to resolve the issues of TikTok app not opening on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.